amiga. Uy, saludar daw, Bianca. Hello, Bianca.
Hola, Bianca.
Si-
Cristina.
No, Bianca is de Mexico. Ay, no, Argentina. Argentina. De, Bianca. Wala, Bianca. Hala, pa. And I'm in culture is bad manners to ask woman their age with height. See? In Philippines, no. No, you can ask what you want. Except you're insulting or shouting them. Maybe some people, but for me, for me, no problem. You can ask what you want. Sa Mexico daw, hindi daw maganda sa kanila pag
Naman talaga doon. Mga tao doon.
hindi daw pwede pag magtanong ng edad, ilang taon,
Kahit
ilang
dito din
sa,
parang
pero sa Pilipinas wala namang problema. In, in Philippines no problem.
marami ano doon.
Mm, maraming alam naman niya.
Madrag.
Mm-mm. I cannot even ask my wife her with ask your wife. Uy papa, ay mi boy entrar del she'll beat me up. She'll beat me up. I cannot even ask my wife her with. Ah, susuntukin daw siya. Ay, Diyos mio. Nawala na tuloy ako mga viewers. Ganon ba yun? Hindi ko alam yun. Bakit pag nag-live ako, ang dami nagtatong, ¿cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tatawa na lang ako. ¿Cómo se llama tu amiga? Mi amiga se llama Cheryl. Cheryl. O Cheryl. Cheryl o Cheryl? Shay? Cheryl. Muy bonita nombre. What's your height? My height is 152.
5'2".
52? Hindi naman 5'2 yan. 5 lang yan. 5'1", 5.
Ang 150 is 5 eh.
52 is 5'2? Kasi nung tiningnan ko doon sa ano, wala pa ako.
5.
I don't know. I'm not sure. 150 maybe. O 151. I don't know. ¿Cómo se pronuncia WhatsApp in English? Hi, WhatsApp. What's up, girl? I'm a petite. You told me I'm a petite. Yes, I am a petite. Petite. Watch up. A petite lady. Most of Filipino people, coyotes, petite. Cute. The height is cute. Maybe there in USA, you see Filipino people is petite. Naka 10 likes din ako. Naka 1 hour na rin ang live ko.